Welcome back to Health Journey. Lavender through the ages, a timeless remedy. Lavender, with its beautiful purple blooms and soothing aroma, has been treasured for centuries. This fragrant herb, native to the Mediterranean, boasts a rich history of medicinal and therapeutic applications. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, recognized lavender's remarkable properties. The Egyptians used lavender for mummification and perfume. Its antiseptic and antibacterial properties made it valuable in embalming processes. They also appreciated its delightful fragrance, incorporating it into their perfumes and cosmetics. The Greeks recognized lavender's healing potential, using it to treat wounds, infections, and digestive issues. The Romans, known for their love of baths, added lavender to their water for its relaxing and cleansing qualities. They believed it promoted sleep and relieved muscle soreness. Lavender's reputation as a versatile healing agent continued through the Middle Ages. It was a staple in monastery gardens where monks cultivated it for medicinal purposes. Today, lavender remains one of the most popular essential oils worldwide.
Lavender's calming and therapeutic effects are primarily attributed to its active compounds, like linalool and linaloyl acetate. These compounds interact with our nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress hormones like cortisol. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil can lower anxiety levels, improve mood, and promote a sense of well-being.
Beyond its calming effects, lavender offers a wide range of health benefits. It possesses analgesic properties, meaning it can help relieve pain. It can be applied topically to soothe headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. Lavender oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for skin conditions like acne, eczema, and burns. It can help reduce redness, itching, and inflammation.
Lavender is known to promote digestive health. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. Some people find that adding a drop of food-grade lavender oil to a cup of chamomile tea aids digestion and promotes relaxation after meals. Always ensure you are using a high-quality food-grade essential oil when ingesting it. This versatile essential oil is also beneficial for respiratory health. It can help clear congestion, ease coughs, and soothe sore throats. Adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser or bowl of hot water and inhaling the steam can provide relief from respiratory discomfort.
Breathe easy, sleep soundly. Lavender's soothing effects. Lavender's calming and relaxing properties make it a natural sleep aid. Its aroma can help create a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere in your bedroom, promoting restful sleep. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil before bed can improve sleep quality, reduce insomnia symptoms, and increase sleep duration. Lavender oil can be used in several ways to enhance sleep. Add a few drops to a diffuser, sprinkle a few drops on your pillowcase, or enjoy a warm bath with lavender essential oil before bedtime. For a more luxurious experience, combine lavender oil with Epsom salts for a relaxing and sleep-promoting soak. Lavender's benefits extend beyond sleep enhancement. It is a natural stress reliever and can be incorporated into your daily routine to manage stress and anxiety. Keep a small bottle of lavender oil handy for a quick and easy way to de-stress throughout the day. Inhale lavender oil directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a tissue or handkerchief. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on the calming aroma. This simple practice can help calm your nerves, reduce tension, and promote a sense of peace.
Lavender, your everyday wellness companion. Integrating lavender into your daily life can be a simple and enjoyable way to enhance your well-being. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Whether you prefer diffusing its calming aroma, using it topically, or incorporating it into your bath routine. Lavender offers a natural and effective way to support your health and happiness.
Add a few drops of lavender oil to your laundry detergent for a calming scent on your clothes and linens. Create a relaxing atmosphere in your home by diffusing lavender oil. Combine it with other essential oils like chamomile or bergamot for a personalized aromatherapy experience. Mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, and use it as a massage oil to soothe sore muscles and promote relaxation. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before topical application to avoid skin irritation. Lavender oil can also be added to unscented lotions and creams. Remember, while lavender is generally safe for most people, It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, or breastfeeding. Enjoy the many benefits of this versatile and fragrant herb. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time, stay healthy in your life journey.